Who or what did she take that's really upset you, madam?
Missy Moo.
It's Missy.
Excuse me, it's Missy Moo.
Did you pay for her? No.
Who's Missy?
That picture got taken was in my flat because that's my best friend.
Who is Missy Moo, madam?
It's my dog. I bought Missy off my son because he was not allowed to keep it in the bedroom flat what he was in because it was against the law with the council. So I willingly said I would buy the dog so she could have a proper home, get her injections and she would be safe.
I believe that you did a lot for that dog.
I love that dog. I actually loved her.
I believe that. That's true. It's okay.
Waterworks.
I just feel sorry for her in case she not got her injections. I care for pets. You just beat them up.
So
like you found the hardest piece on me.
Yeah, because you beat
and you
Sparks.
said no.
Who beats him with a stick?
Oh, whatever, Rachel. All comes out your mouth is lies.
Missy Moo.
No, it's Missy.
Well, who purchased the dog?
I did.
No, she didn't. My son bought the dog.
That's important, madam. You did not.
I did. My son bought it.
Thank you very much. In other words, it was purchased when you were still what I'll call loosely in a relationship with her son.
Yeah.
Fine. Now, what sort of dog is she?
A Staffy.
Now, it is true, for some period of time, that Missy Moo was in her house.
For one day, if that.
She was in my house for about a week, near enough a week.
You say she was there for a week.
Yeah.
The point is that you say you have de facto ownership of her. Your son paid for her, but you had in law what's called possession of her.
Yeah, my son said to keep her until he got his own property so she could be safe and she'd be looked after and then he would come and get her when he's got his own flat, which he's got.
Now, I believe that happened. How long did you have her there for? Was it a week?
About a week I had her, yeah.
Understood. That would be a matter that you could bring to court on its own.
Yeah.
But you say it's further complicated because this dog bonded with another dog in the house. Your
my
dog?
dog, yeah.
What's your dog called?
Sparks. But my dog's depressed.
Your dog's what?
Depressed.
Well-
He's actually missing Missy.
Well, once Missy or Missy Moo left, he was, according to you, deeply depressed.
He was.
Let's have a look.
That's him now.
And how did you know he was depressed? I mean,
Does he speak?
Be quiet.
Don't you defer my dog after what you've done to my dog.
Point is, you say that your dog Sparks bonded with Missy Moo so much that you know that he is depressed.
Yeah.
And I want to know how you know the dog is depressed. I mean, was he sitting at home smoking and that sort of thing?
He just wouldn't eat. He wouldn't eat.
Was he? I don't know. I mean, was he in the duvet binge-watching box sets?
No, he's not himself. Usually he will come to me or my husband and he doesn't want to know us. He just basically sits behind the settee and he never does that.
Well, here's the thing. It's not just that you're saying that you're entitled to the money back from Missy Moo because you had legal possession.
Yeah.
But also, can you look at your claim document, madam?
Yeah.
You say you are... Don't look at the value. I'd like you to read out the last part. What are you claiming for in respect of Sparks?
Dog therapy.
Dog therapy?
Yeah.
Due to him being depressed. How much?
£100 just to get him something just to perk him up, basically. He used to be an happy dog. Now he's not. He doesn't want to do anything because of her.
Well, how do you know it's £100? Have you spent that £100 on a dog therapist? I mean, what would a dog therapist do? Let's just pause. Does the dog lie on the couch? And there's another dog that sits there and they have a discussion about the dog's childhood and abandonment issues? Woof, woof. And at the end of it, are they given a series of psychological strategies in order to cope with the various problems that they have? What is dog therapy?
I've not got a clue.
You're claiming for it, madam! Now, where's the dog? Don't cross your hands in front of me. Madam, where is the dog, please?
In a better place, better home, where she's well looked after.
Did you sell her?
No, I gave her away.
And what are your feelings at the end of this matter towards Brenda?
I just want her out of my life.
What about you, Brenda?
My son's met a lovely girl and she doesn't abuse my mum, who's passed away, like she has said nasty things about my mother.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.